Hi, for my CS180 final project, I built an assignment tracker agent, a terminal-based tool that helps students manage assignments using natural language commands instead of a rigid menu system. The app follows a three-layer design. The interface handles the conversation, the engine interprets each request, and the storage layer saves everything in SQLite. In this demo, I'll show the full workflow from adding assignments to getting a study recommendation and updating the task list. When the program starts, it immediately shows the starter template, so the user does not have to memorize the exact input format. First, I'm adding a CS180 assignment with the title, due date, priority, and short note. Now I'll add a second assignment with a different due date and priority so we have enough data to show how the tracker organizes and ranks upcoming work. Here the assignment lists the current assignments in a clean format. Here the app lists the current assignments in a clean format. We can see the assignment IDs, class names, titles, due dates, priorities, and completion status. This gives the user a quick snapshot of what is coming up next. Next, I'm using the recommendation feature. The system looks at urgency, due date, and priority to suggest the best next task to work on. Once I finish that assignment, I can mark it complete by its ID. This updates the save record instead of only changing the display temporarily. Now we can see the updated state of the list. One assignment is still incomplete and the other is clearly marked complete, which shows that the change was persisted in the database. Finally, I could delete an assignment if I want to clean up old records. That shows the app supports the full assignment lifecycle, not just adding and listing tasks. Overall, this project demonstrates a natural language command line interface for managing assignments, a recommendation feature for deciding what to work on next, and a layered architecture that keeps the interface, logic, and storage responsibilities separate. In one short flow, we added assignments, viewed them, asked for a recommendation, marked one complete, and deleted it while keeping the data persistent in SQLite. Now I'll be going over the repository structure. All of the source code stays in the SRC folder with three different folders individually for the three different layers of the architecture: the engine, interface, and storage. And the automated tests stay in the test folder, and then all the requirement and design docs stay in the docs folder. The instructions on the setup is all in the README that can be viewed to show how to duplicate the environment locally. Now I'm running the automated test for all three layers. If you want to show the coverage too, you can optionally run the command and this shows the coverage for these tests. Cover the storage layer, engine layer, and the interface layer. These tests cover the storage layer, the engine layer, and the interface layer.